Welcome. Today I'll show you 2 easy ways to cut a watermelon perfectly. First, cut off both ends of the watermelon. Now, slice it right through the middle to split it into 2 halves. Take 1 half and cut it again into smaller sections until you reach the size you want. Next, trim off just a little from the hard outer part, but keep both the middle and the firm sections. From here, cut it into nice, bite-sized pieces. Now, let's try an easier method with the other half. Simply cut it into rectangular slices. Quick, simple, and ready to enjoy. And that's it. 2 simple ways to cut and enjoy a watermelon. Thanks for watching.